Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Touch Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a ton of work, starting by replacing the gaskets of the boiler. This is the steam boiler, this is the brew boiler. We replaced all the gaskets over here. We were having trouble replacing one of the gaskets located right here on the boiler. We unfortunately had to remove the entire boiler itself. We had to drill this little piece out. As you can see right there, we're carefully removing everything, put it all back together, and we also control everything around here and make sure everything was the way it's supposed to. We had the machine on for quite a while already. We were looking for leaks, we didn't find any. The machine has been running out hot, it's been doing great, and yeah, it's working. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. So we're gonna be grinding at 17 grind, and then we're gonna be doing the single espresso. After that, we're going to be running some hot water, and then we're going to be doing a bit of steam from the steamer one. We also clean the grinder and clean the steam one as well. We have to replace the three-way valve of this machine. This is the older one of the machine itself, and that one controls the flow coming out through the hot water and through the group head. This machine has 9 seconds of prefusion. After that, the wire pump, we start pushing water to the group head, and then we have our coffee. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good color. Not a lot of crema because we're using our test coffee and it's a little bit old at this point, but we'll still get a little bit of crema on the shot in a great quantity. Flow coming out from the group head. As I say, it takes 9 seconds of prefusion, and you will see the group head flow coming out of the group head. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the group head, working great. Steam for this machine is nice and steady. No leaks anywhere on the system of the steamer or in the boiler. Working excellent. So there you have it, Purple Barista Touch working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.